Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make this amazing honey shrimp. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification bells. You can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. So here I have my shrimp. It's already cleaned and washed nicely. I will go in and add all of my powdered seasoning. Now I'm going to go in and add some paprika. I will also add some black pepper. Of course, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. I will also add some fish seasoning to this as well. If you guys have other seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. Then I'm going to go ahead and combine all of this amazing seasoning with the shrimp together. And just a reminder, guys, this was just quick and easy. The family will love it. So once my shrimp is nicely seasoned, I will go ahead and cover it and just put it aside for roughly about 15 minutes. I went ahead already and chopped up some onions, scallion, thyme, some scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, some tomato that I will be using. So I put on my pot on the stove, add some vegetable oil, allow it to hot. I went in, add my chopped onions, scallion, thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, combine that well, turn my stove on low to medium heat. I will go ahead and just cover it and leave it there for a couple seconds. Then I'm going to come back and add some more powdered seasoning to this. Now you can always go ahead and have this amazing honey shrimp with your favorite sides, whether it be some creamy mashed potatoes, some white rice, some rice and peas, whatever you have at home. So now I'm gonna go in and add some paprika, and once I add the paprika, I will combine everything well, and also some of the fish seasoning. And just a reminder, guys, if you have other seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so, and remember to turn your stove on low to medium heat. Once everything is nicely combined, I leave it there for a couple seconds. I will then come back and add the shrimp. No, shrimp doesn't take long to cook, 6 to 5 minutes, and the shrimp is all ready. Remember, you don't want to overcook your shrimp because you don't want it to be rubbery. I will go ahead and just cover this and leave it there for roughly about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I will come back and add the honey. So what I did, I went ahead already and combined the honey and some water together, just a little bit of honey and water. I will go ahead and just add it, combine everything well, and then I'm just going to leave it there for another 3.5 minutes. And this is what it should look like once it's nice to cook. So I will serve it up and show you guys the final product, so stay tuned for all of that goodness. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing honey shrimp. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. I served mine up, with some white rice, and it was just amazing.